स्टार्ट होने से पहले आप हमारे चैनल को लाइक करें, सब्सक्राइब करें और शेयर करें। आज हम लेके आए हैं हुरैरा शेख को, जो इंडिया के चंद मुकामात आपको बताएंगे।
अब हम करेंगे दिल्ली के फेमस 15 टूरिस्ट प्लेसेस के विजिट। ये वीडियो आपके सामने। चलो भाई
शुरू करें।
Delhi is a lot more than just the capital of India. It is the city of love. It is an absolute combination of traditional values and modernity. Delhi's tourist places include historical and modern monuments on one hand and a world-class airport and metro on the other. Street food, shopping malls, religious places, parks, world-class hotels, theatres and pubs, you name it, and Delhi has it all. In today's Delhi tour, I will take you around 15 most amazing places to visit in Delhi, which everyone should visit at least once. Before we continue, please press the subscribe button so you never miss the best travel videos and discount offers. Topmost place in Delhi is India Gate. India Gate defines Old Delhi. It was built in 1931 and is a memorial for martyrs of World War I and was also called All India War Memorial. It looks its best at night when all the evening light brightens the area to a significant amount. Number 2 is the very famous Red Fort. This fort is managed by the Archaeological Survey of India and was also declared a UNESCO World Heritage Site in 2007. It became famous ever since Jawaharlal Nehru delivered a midnight speech right before India was going to wake up to witness a sunrise of independence. At 3 is Swami Narayan Akshardham Temple. It is famous for its spiritual and cultural feel and has a huge architectural structure which is 141 feet high and 316 feet wide and is very famous among tourists who come to witness this charming place. The evening light and sound show is a must visit for every visitor. 4th, Hauz Khas. It is situated in South Delhi and is emerging as the most famous tourist spot in the city. It is also known as Mehek ka Chota Kila.
जिसे छोटा किला कहा जाता है।
5th, Qutub Minar.
ये तो बहुत फेमस
It
है
is
भाई।
a valuable structure of the country and is a part of Qutub Complex, which was declared as a UNESCO World Heritage Site. It is entirely made of red sandstone and marble and reaches a height of up to 72 meters. It consists of 5 stories and has 379 steps in total. 6th, Connaught Place. Popularly known as CP, this place has a lot of shops, markets, buildings and hotels. Many Bollywood movies are also shot here. Number 7 is Gurudwara Bangla Sahib. Gurudwara Bangla Sahib is known for its association with the 8th Guru, Guru Har Krishan Ji. It has a complex structure with a beautiful pool inside known as Sarovar.
ये सब हिस्टोरिकल है अभी।
Place at number 8 is the very famous Lotus Temple. The Lotus Temple is a major landmark of the city. It is constructed in such a way that it resembles a lotus flower. It can accommodate approximately 2,500 people at a time. It is a Baha'i house of worship, which means people of any religion can visit this temple and offer their prayer. Number 9 is Rashtrapati Bhavan. It is a residence of the president, which was earlier known as Viceroy's House. It is entirely of 130 acres that has Mughal gardens, open spaces, office staff and other royal staff. This house consists of 4 floors and 340 rooms, which are constructed with great interiors using the best thing possible. At number 10 is the very beautiful Jama Masjid. It is one of the largest mosques in the country and was built by Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan. It can accommodate more than 25,000 people at a time. The masjid is now protected by Delhi Waqf Board. 11 is the very vibrant Chandni Chowk. The market design was built by Shah Jahan's daughter Janara. It is considered to be the largest wholesale market in Delhi.
यहाँ पर
Moonlight
ज्यादा
Square is
देसी
the
चीजें
English
होती है,
name of
देखा?
this place.
ये सेम चीज़ें बिल्कुल ऐसी सेम मार्केट है, सेम
जी जी।
12th, National Rail Museum. The land of this museum is spread over 10 acres. The visitors come here for a toy train ride, and apart from this, there are a lot of items on display which attracts their eyes.
ये ब्रिटिश डोर की
13th is the most loved place, Kingdom of Dreams. It is located in NCR, Delhi. It is a leisure spot and entertainment place where people come to enjoy an evening and de-stress themselves.
वैसे ही वो वहाँ पर अपने फेस्टिवल बनाते हैं।
सिनेमाज वगैरह बहुत है वहाँ पे।
At 14th is Delhi Heart. Delhi Heart is a venture of Delhi Tourism and Transportation Development Corporation.
कल्चर
It
को
is spread
डिस्क्राइब
over
कर
an
रहा है
area of
बेसिकली।
6 acres and is now
अभी जितनी भी हमने
transformed
देखी है
into
वो
a
ज़्यादातर ना
plaza.
कल्चर
Apart
को
from
डिस्क्राइब
shopping,
कर रही हैं,
it
बिल्डिंग्स
also
वगैरह
is a
सब
venue of crafts, music, dance and cultural events held here by different organizations. Number 15th, which is also the last place in the list, is Purana Killa. It is also known as Old Fort and is the oldest fort in Delhi. It was made by Sher Shah Suri. There is also a daily light and sound show that happens after sunset, which talks about the history of the 7 cities of Delhi.
वहाँ एक रोड है,
Here
वो
we
भी
sum
नाम
up
पे
with
इस
top
बात है।
लेकिन ये इंडिया में
places
ज्यादा
visit in
तामीरात
Delhi.
हुए हैं क्योंकि वो एक बहुत बड़ा
वो बेसिक
बड़े-
उनका ये दिल्ली,
बड़े-
आगरा, ये तमाम ना उसका वो है।
बिल्कुल।
आपको अली भाई सबसे ज्यादा अच्छी क्या चीज लगी बोला?
इनमें अच्छी यही थी कि जो सी
जो पसंद
मस्जिद
है, वैसे
दिखाई।
तो सभी अच्छी थी,
जी जी।
लेकिन जो
ये मुझे बहुत पसंद आया कि वो उन्होंने मस्जिद दिखाई और उसके बारे में बहुत अच्छे अल्फाज अपने मुंह से बयान किए।
ये वहाँ के फेमस उसमें आता है ना,
जी जी।
फेमस उस वहाँ क्योंकि रेशो तकरीबन बराबर ही है, तो ये भी उनके जो अहम तरीन टूरिस्ट प्लेस है ना, वो इधर लाजमी जाते हैं। मुझे तो सबसे ज़्यादा जो फेवरेट है ना मेरा, वो मुझे सिडनी वाला लगा जो उन्होंने बनाया है, बहुत खूबसूरत बनाया है।
वो तकरीबन
और कुतुब मीनार,
कुतुब मीनार भी बहुत
वो
अच्छा
बहुत बेस्ट है। वो ये तो तकरीबन मशहूर है, ये तो तकरीबन सभी जानते हैं कुतुब मीनार को। बाकी जो आज मुझे नई चीज़ इसमें देखने को मिली ना, वो ओल्ड फोर्ट है,
ओल्ड फोर्ट
और वो प्राइम मिनिस्टर हाउस का।
प्राइम मिनिस्टर, और उसमें 300 प्लस कमरे थे, वो भी मुझे आज फर्स्ट टाइम सुनने में मिला।
बहरहाल यार दिल्ली बेस्ट, बहुत बेहतरीन।
ये एक इंडिया का बहुत बड़ा यार शहर है जिसमें यानी बहुत ही ज्यादा मिकदार में चीजें, मीनार वगैरह ये
बहुत
वहाँ पर पाए जाते
ये
हैं।
तारीखी शहर है,
तारीखी शहर।
और अगर कोई चाहता है कि हम उनके शहर पे भी रिएक्शन करें तो नीचे कमेंट
हमारे
कर दें
कमेंट में
इंशाल्लाह।